Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today is going to be an interesting little video because I want to share with you guys luxury makeup that I've always wanted but I've never purchased. So really this video is kind of for like a selfish reason because I wanted to throw these things out here, so maybe if you guys have tried some of these and you do feel like they are totally worth the splurge, you could let me know and maybe I could save my monies to go buy one. I have a lot of products here, so I'm going to try to go through these as fast as possible. And when I say luxury makeup, I mean like designer stuff. Some of it is more like maybe at Sephora, but a lot of it is on the pricier end of things, not like MAC or Clinique or things like that that are higher end, but not like full on luxurious. So the first couple things I want to chat about are actually from Chanel. And the one thing from this brand that I have always wanted is a Chanel lip gloss. I have no idea why. I remember years ago, Makeup Geek, Merlena, she used to talk about this one Chanel gloss, and I thought it was the most beautiful thing ever. And I have just always wanted one ever since, but I've never purchased it because I'm like, okay, it's really expensive and I don't need to spend that much money on a lip gloss, you know, when I love drugstore lip glosses, but they are just so pretty looking, so I really want one of those. Another one I'm really interested in trying is the Chanel Soleil de Tan Chanel or whatever it's called, Bronze Universal or whatever. I really want to try this just because it's so hyped about here on YouTube. I know Makeup by Tiffany D talks about it a ton. I know Jessica Braun has talked about it. And I kind of just want to see what the hype is about. That's just one product I'm intrigued about just purely because of the hype. And I've tried cream bronzers in the past and I really enjoy them, but I really do just want to see like what the hype is about on that one product. Okay, another thing, a couple eyeshadow things I want to chat about. I really, Natasha Denona. I have never tried a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, and I really want to, but they are so stupid expensive, like ridiculous. And I think it's Casey Holmes, she talked about how she feels like her Natasha Denona eyeshadows have changed, and she doesn't know if that's because, you know, like they have expired or whatever, and I'm just like, I don't want to spend that much money if they're going to expire and not like quickly and not being as blendable as they are, you know. And so I don't know, I want to try them. I know that she's putting out a like little mini one that's I think going to be about 24 bucks. So if you guys have tried Natasha Denona and you feel like it is totally worth me spending the money on it and trying that little $24 thing that she's putting out. I mean, it's a super small pan and it's really tiny. It's like a little eyeshadow palette. I think there's like 6 of them, but the pans are really small. So let me know if it's worth it and if I need to try it. Another eyeshadow thing, Tom Ford eyeshadow quads. I know that these are kind of hit and miss, but I remember I used to watch Tati and she used to talk about, or she's like Glam Life Guru here on YouTube, but I know that she would talk about how Tom Ford, like his glitter shadows were like supposed to replicate or be a replica of like the glitter on his dresses and the shimmer on his dresses. And so I was like, oh my gosh, some of them look really pretty. So that is one splurge I definitely want to try. Another eyeshadow thing, Marc Jacobs eyeshadow palettes. They are really expensive and for what you get, but I've swatched them in Sephora before and they are really pretty. So that is a splurge that I would definitely want to splurge on. Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. I feel like everyone kind of talks about the lipsticks from her and how good they are. I know Emily Noel has, I know Makeup by Tiffany D has. And so I kind of, again, one of those products that I just want to see what the hype is about. I'm intrigued purely just because of the hype. Let's see. Oh, another Marc Jacobs thing, the Omega bronzer. It was like on a white pan, I think. I think it was like his coconut bronzer or something, and everyone went bananas over that, but it was like limited edition. Well, I think now he's putting them out again, and so everyone went bananas over those big Marc Jacobs bronzers. Again, I think that and the Chanel Soleil de Tan Chanel or whatever, and the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks, those 3 products are the ones that I just want to try because of the hype. Like, I want to try the Marc Jacobs bronzer just because everyone was obsessed with it and everyone was hyped about it. And I'm like, is it really that good? I just want to know. Okay, a highlighter that I am like so lusting after is the Dior Skin Nude Glow highlighters. I have seen swatches of these and they look absolutely stunning, but they are so expensive. Like, I could just not imagine spending that much money on a highlighter. I think I would have a coronary. I just could not deal with that, but they are so pretty. Like, I think spending a lot of money is like buying a Becca highlighter. Like, that is expensive to me. And like, I feel like the Dior one is way more expensive than Becca. Okay, the couple last things I want to share. The Viseart or Viseart, whatever it's called, blush palettes. I love a good blush and I love a good blush palette. And so I have like some of the Viseart eyeshadows. Like, I have the Golden Hour palette, but I really want to try the face stuff. And like I said, I just love a good blush palette to where I feel like I would really enjoy that. But again, it is really expensive, and they make really great blush palettes at the drugstore. Like, I love the Maybelline one. This one's right here, the LA Color So Cheeky. I love that one. So I don't feel like I need that, but I really want it. Okay, the last thing I want to try is the YSL Touche Éclat Primer. This has a lot of claims about blurring, and I am all for a nice blurred look on the skin. I have really large pores right here, and so if it would blur out everything on my skin, it would look so good and that would be awesome. So I don't know, I really want to try that, but all these products I really want to try, obviously, because that's what this video is about. These luxury makeup products are so incredibly gorgeous, but they are so expensive that I don't know if I could ever pull the trigger and actually buy one. But if you guys have tried any of these and you feel like they are totally worth the high price tag, let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely be checking out the comments to see your guys' recommendations. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!